Hello my friends. In this video, I am sharing clips and photos of my hobbies, which I enjoy very much. This includes my koi fish, my fish pond and the aquaponic system which produces a lot of vegetables. There will also be video clips on my garden. I hope you will enjoy the video. One of my routines after retirement is feeding my koi fish, keeping them happy and fat. I have some of the more common koi species from Japan. They are roughly 4 to 5 years old. They are really beautiful and friendly, perfect pet or companion to have at home. I enjoy the time in maintaining the plants around the pond and keeping the small waterfall flowing. The waterfall and green plants keep the pond properly aerated and clean. I have built an aquaponic system to grow vegetables using the pond water and fish poop. A very simple ecosystem to keep the pond clean and healthy for the koi fish. The system consists of a filtration system with mechanical and biological filters. The dirty pond water is pumped to the filtration system where nitrification process happens. Nitrate is the final product from the nitrification process, a very good fertilizer. The plants absorb the nitrate and grow very well in the system, providing nice, green vegetable for the family. The clean water is then returned to the fish pond. The very clean water is the reason why my koi fish can grow very well, with water depth of only 2 feet. Beside the vegetables, there are water lilies in the pond as well. These are the hardy type of water lilies and grow well in this pond. I have the beautiful orange and pink color water lilies. I also have the red color water lilies. These red lilies only opens at night. The flower closes during daytime. Most water lily flowers generally last 3 to 5 days. I also have the bright white color water lilies. These lily flowers opens during daytime and close at night. I enjoy gardening as well. Gardening will keep me busy mentally and physically for many years to come. The fish pond and gardens has attracted a number of visitors including frogs, snakes and many birds. Some stay a bit longer and make the garden their home, building nests with little ones in the nest. I have installed solar LED lights at different places of my small garden. They look very nice at night. I also enjoy visiting gardens in other countries. I will share some of the photo and clips in my future videos. If you like the video, please click like and share the video. Happy to have comments that will help me to improve my videos. Thank you.